Welcome to my wardrobe. My name is Heidi Gammill. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. Welcome to my wardrobe. So I just want to talk briefly about keeping your wardrobe smelling fresh and also preserving your clothing. So humidity is a huge factor in our wardrobes, and so if you can control the humidity that takes place, then it's gonna, not only when you open your closet will it smell fresher, but also we're looking to preserve our clothing and our shoes and our bags, our investments that we have spent time and money to make sure that we have it here. So my closet personally is within our restroom, and so we have the shower right here, that's humidity. And then of course we live in Florida where we have humidity, and so that is top of mind for me. I want to make sure that I'm protecting the investments that I have made. So one thing that I do recommend is don't throw away those little silica things that come in just about everything that you purchase. Your shoes, your vitamins, whatever, a bag. You know, you buy a purse, it has one of these in there, and that is to protect it. It's there to absorb the humidity, because perhaps the thing you just purchased came from a warehouse or a place where there's only so much humidity control that you can do. The other thing that I use is called Damp Rid. It is an all-natural product, and this is a reusable one, and this is actually ready to be disposed of. So this is full of liquid right now. It usually takes about a month to 45 days for it to do its thing. And so I have one of these in every closet in the home, and I put it to the side, and I know it's there. So when I'm cleaning, I know it's there. I don't want to tip it over. If you have children or pets, then you're going to have to consider where you're going to put it. I don't have either, so I don't have to worry about that. Basically, what it is crystals that you put inside, and then over time it absorbs humidity, smells, dank, damp. It absorbs all of that into the crystals, and then the crystals melt into the bottom reservoir, and then you're left with liquid. This is full of gross liquid that you then throw into the toilet, flush it, and then you refill it. So that is something I use, and I'm actually shocked and amazed at how quickly it's pulling liquid out of the air. And so if you're walking into a space, a closet, a room, and you're like, it just don't smell good in here, then you may consider some moisture control. This is basically a dehumidifier that doesn't require electricity. Of course, I also use essential oils everywhere in my home. I have diffusers going that help to make it smell amazing. And some of my favorites for the closet is, I love lavender because it's just relaxing. You have to get dressed every day. You might as well enjoy it. So having sachets perhaps on your shelves, in your boxes, that you then drip some essential oils on just to make it smell fresh and lovely, I highly recommend. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Here's another thing about protecting your clothing is having the ability for air to move amongst your clothing. So there's another reason to consider a 10-piece wardrobe or a capsule wardrobe. Just saying. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, encouraging you to control the humidity in your closet so that when you open it, it smells fresh. And it also protects your clothing and your shoes. Now, I'm just here to say that if you have more shoes than there are days in the year, you may not be able to get to them before they rot in place. So another reason to humidify or to dehumidify your closet, so as to protect your shoes, because especially in Florida, I've seen it. I've gone into people's closets to help them organize, and the shoes are just falling to pieces. So editing what you have so that it's high quality, something you can use, and also protect. Those are the things. All the things. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope your closet smells fresh and clean and all the things. Have a great day. Bye.